I'm going to show you how to make these gorgeous natural dyed Easter eggs with a botanical twist. So first up, I had to create some natural food dyes. I've used beetroot, purple cabbage and brown onion skins. For the full instructions on how to make these dyes, just simply follow the link down below. To create the botanical twist, choose leaves with interesting shapes like ferns or soft flowers, and then just grab a piece of pantyhose and use it to hold the leaf or flower in place on your hard-boiled eggs. Twist the pantyhose tightly around the egg and tie it off, or use an elastic band if needed. Pop the eggs into the dye and leave them to soak overnight. Once they're done, take them out and carefully cut off the pantyhose and remove the leaf or flower. Once your eggs have dried, just give them a little drizzle of olive oil and this will give them a gorgeous shine. And then they're ready to decorate your Easter table.